high school and college were absolutely devastated, and the parents didn't even know. Charlie was inane in terms of his impact. And Candace's point is simple. You don't get to be private on Monday and global on Tuesday, depending upon what's convenient. You can't publish your most intimate moments for sympathy and fun. Sorry. And then tell people they're wicked for asking where this man they love is laid to rest. That's not how public life works. And Candace is brave enough to say it. And sometimes, as you well know, saying the obvious is the bravest thing you can do. Then there's the time excuse. Quote, I don't have time. It sounds reasonable. It does, until you watch the bookings. As Candace says, prime Fox hits, big radio, high-profile town halls, cross-country trips for ceremonial moments that have really nothing to do with stabilizing or attempting to stabilize Turning Point USA. So it's not about time. It's about priority. The priority has
Walter.
elite circles. Ostensibly. Big donor tables, glossy media moments. The priority has not been speaking clearly